This is an epic battle of Drew versus George. So far, Drew has defeated George. George appears to be laying down. He's not putting up much of a fight. I think Drew's taking him. Drew, how far can this go? How much can one monkey take? Drew. The battle is won. The victor walks away from the ring. Rest in peace, George.